unload the magazine, unload the chamber, notice there's no round in there. Look it back, pull it back, pull these slide back gently. Here, these two slides, what you do is it's kind of tough sometimes, but you got to pull this back just a little bit and push it forward. So then your slide comes away from the lower receiver, and that's your slide. The recoil spring can be removed. Then the barrel can be removed. And that is your slide. All is ready to be cleaned, wiped down, and re-oiled, put back together. After everything's cleaned, your barrel is clean, you've put some oil around the barrel here. You slide it back into the hole. Just sits in there just like that. Recoil spring. Push it back into the point there. And it pops right into place. Take your lower receiver and you slide it in like so. It's easier to do it when I do it like this. Find this. There are these little hooks that slide inside of that slot. Just push those in there. That's in. We'll reload our magazine. We'll tap. Slide back. In. A lot of people will just relax it and let it slam the round back into the chamber. I don't like doing that. I like it to be smooth and back together. Everything's done. Voila.